Welcome to Cooking with Edie, Great British Bake Off. Each week I will be making a recipe featured on the new series of the Great British Bake Off. This week I will make Mary Berry's Jaffa cakes. So first I am going to break this orange jelly into pieces. You have to have orange jelly, otherwise it's not a Jaffa cake, is it? So now this boiling water into the jelly cubes. So now I'm going to start mixing it until it's fully dissolved. Then after, I'm going to pour my orange zest, and I've told you about that before in my marmalade video. I've dissolved it all. I can put my orange zest in there. Now, I'm going to pour it into this nice thin tray. You're in my fridge, and I'm going to pour this in the other one. And I would recommend putting your trays in the fridge before putting it in there, because I nearly spilt mine. So I've preheated the oven. I need to make the sponge and whisk the egg and sugar together for 4 to 5 minutes until pearl and fluffy, then gently fold into the flour. Put that egg in here. Now I need to put 1 ounce of white caster sugar, mix it. Did anyone watch the Great British Bake Off when they were making Jaffa cakes? Because it was funny that someone, I can't remember who it was, they put their Jaffa cakes upside down. I need to get 1 ounce of flour. I need to do this very gently, otherwise it will split. After mixing all the flour in, so I put 1 of them in. Now I need to put another one of it in. There, just a tiny bit more, yeah. Okay, so there. Now these are done. So now I'm going to put them in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes. There. I am now going to just check on the jelly. I think they are done. They are done. But let's not take them out quite yet, because some of it is not done. So, my oven gloves, they're all cooked and ready to go. Well, they're not ready to go because they're not cooked. So now I need to just I need to put them on this rack. And they really look like Jaffa cakes. Look at that. The bottom of Jaffa cakes. Okay, so now I'm just going to carry on getting them out. Oh, that was an easy one to get out. There. So now I need to break up my chocolate into pieces, and then I need to melt them in a bowl. Okay, so I'm going to keep on mixing it until it's all melted. It looks really nice so far. Okay, so now I need to, with this nice round cutter, That's the smallest one. Need to cut out all of the jellies. Okay, so let's just cut the first one out. And there, let's get that off. Look, there, that looks exactly like the ones in real Jaffa cakes. Okay, so now I am going to move on to this tray for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to put the chocolate over them. Okay, so now I'm just doing crisscrosses on them because that's what Jaffa cakes have. So they look like proper Jaffa cakes now. Okay, so now I'm going to put them in the fridge, ready to take to my cousin's birthday party, so everyone there can have a tasty treat. See you next week!